It's real nice out here. The trees. It's real nice out here, you know? Sometimes you just gotta ghost hang out in the trees, man. Sometimes it's what you gotta do. Because your true being falls on deaf ears. Who you really are, who you want to be, who you deserve to be, your power, your signal, your purpose threatens people. People can't handle real life conversations. They can't handle solitude. They can't handle metacognition. Oh. Oh, I'm filming and writing with one hand, and as you can see, there's a bit of a ditch here. A little indent, trench, if you will. My tires are getting all muddy, so you know what? I'm just turning this around. Carry my bike. I really hope I don't get any sort of bugs out here latching onto me and shit. Could do without that. I'll have to check my arms later. My neck, everything. But yeah, I'm not deep. I'm not deep in the forest. You see there's an exit out there. I wish there was something to sit on out here besides dirt. Feels so relieving and peaceful to be here. I've always been sensitive to the expectations of everyone around me. The self-entitlement, the gloating, the provocation, the narcissism. People tolerate these cycles for as long as it serves them, or for as long as it doesn't harm them individually. Sometimes people, you could say your neighbor's house is flooded, and you'll say, "Good luck, neighbor, not my house." That is